This is Abhishek from GadgetShoes.com, and today we are here at the Redmi 1S launch, or you can say announcement for the Redmi 1S. I have the Redmi 1S with me. I have done a hands-on of this device earlier already, so you can see that hands-on to get to know the details of this device. We have also done another hands-on today to show you the package contents, what all you will get within the package. Inside the package you will get a charger, a micro USB cable and user manuals, that's it. You will not get headphones within the package, you will have to buy them separately. Third party voice, you can also go for Xiaomi Piston 2, which will be available on Flipkart on September 2nd. On the day September 2nd, it will come to Flipkart. Again, you will need to register before you can actually buy it. So make sure you register by today. By 6 PM, the registration will start on Flipkart, and you can buy it for the price not 6,999, but the price has been changed. So price for this device final is going to be 5,999. 6,000 rupees you will have to pay for this. And I would like to say that for this price, this is a pretty decent device. You can get the kind of hardware you get on this phone is pretty good. You have Snapdragon 400 chipset, 1.6 GHz quad-core processor, 8 GB of internal memory, out of which approximately 6.5 GB is going to be available to the user. 1 GB of RAM it is, 8 megapixel of camera at the back, which does shoot very good photos as well as video. We are also uploading some video samples for this device. For that you can actually check out other videos on our channel. Apart from this, if we actually tell you about other things of this device, the front camera is also good, much better than the other cameras which I have seen on the devices which comes for 6,000 rupees. So front camera is there on this device. The display is 4.7 inch. It is a pretty good phone to hold in one hand. You can easily hold this phone with one hand. You can use it with one hand. You can reach almost every part of the screen without any issues, and this is something which I really like. The kind of build quality you get on this phone is also very good. You can see that unlike the one which I have shown you earlier, that one was a glossy back cover Xiaomi Redmi 1S, whereas the one which will come to Flipkart will only be black one, and it will have this grey or black color back cover, which again can be removed. And I can show you the SIM card slot as well. So you have SIM card slot, 2 SIM card slot, SIM card slot 1, SIM card slot 2. The first one will support 2G and 3G, the other one will support 2G only, and you do have micro SD memory card slot also supported, so you can expand the storage of this device. And I will confirm you whether you can install applications on the SD card. Apart from this, I would like to say that for this price, this is one of the best devices you can actually get as of now. In case you have more questions around this device, I would rather suggest you not to buy this device as of now. I will come up with a full review very soon with all the details which you would like to know. We will also tell you whether this device supports OTG. The box contents we have already showed you. The charger and USB cable is something which you will get. You will have to buy accessories separately. Accessories will also come on 2nd of September. So 2nd of September with this phone, accessories will also come on Flipkart. So you will be able to buy accessories exactly at the time when the Redmi 1S is going to come to Indian market. So you can buy the phone as well as accessories together. The camera quality is good. The display is also good. You can see that the display has pretty decent viewing angles. It is an IPS LCD display, so it is not visible from almost all the angles, but again I would say it is slightly visible, and there is slight amount of discoloration which will happen on the display. Apart from this, everything is pretty good on this device. Again, this device is going to follow the same lines that it is not about you can buy the Redmi 1S, it is all about whether you can buy it, because it will come in limited stocks. Again, the stocks will be more than the one which you might have seen for Xiaomi Mi 3, which is something which we have got the information from the company. So this will come for approximate, I think the number of units which are going to sell in the first stock should be around 30,000 units they are going to sell. So you have large opportunity to buy this phone in the first go, because you have large number of units which will come. Again, this will also get sold, I guess, from Flipkart very soon, just like Mi 3. This one is also having a Snapdragon 400 chipset. So again, Qualcomm devices from Xiaomi Mi 3 are going to be better than the other devices which might come later, including the Redmi Note. Redmi Note will come with a MediaTek chipset, the octa-core one, and again I won't recommend that device to you, but in case you're looking for an affordable phone, you can buy this one for only 6,000 rupees. 4.7 inch display device, pretty good device. The build quality is good. You can compare this with any other premium Android phone as well. So everything is good about this device. The hardware is good. The overall value for money is good enough. Again, I will only be able to tell you the exact value for money for this device once I do the full review, but as of now it seems like a very good hardware phone which you can buy. As per the usage which I have done in the last 3 to 4 hours, I have used this device. I really like the device. I do do not face any lag with the device. I do not face any issue with the device. That's all from us. Thanks for watching this video. In case you have any questions, you can like this video. If this video helped you, you can leave your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.